My name is Nicolas, and at Servatus, I'm the head of biomanufacturing and bioprocessing division. I'm in charge of developing and optimize new processes related to our industry, and particularly we are developing live microbial therapeutics and biologics. So I've met the Chromatic team at a professional network event in Brisbane. They came on the Sunshine Coast to meet us and understand what we were doing. Particularly, we were talking about a project about blankets for one of our temperature application, and turned to a temperature blanket system into a smart blanket system, cloud-based, which was very innovative and very competitive in price. The Chromatic team was very approachable and understood what we were trying to achieve, which was really helpful, and they delivered on time as well.
So I'm Scott Hanson, the Engineering Director at Chromatic. My role in this project was to develop and deploy a range of smart blankets or smart control heater blankets for use in the biopharmaceutical industry. The primary challenge of this project was trying to develop a product which was highly intelligent. It was smart connected or smart enabled, but at a low budget. So trying to compete with less intelligent technologies, but bring the extra level of capability and monitoring for the same budget.
After our first meeting with the Chromatic team, they came back to us with innovative and creative solutions that fitted our budget.
The thing I enjoyed most about working in this project was being able to bring some new technology from the fourth industrial revolution, or Industry 4.0, to an industry which is already very advanced. So they work a lot in highly scientific fields, and we were able to bring an extra level of technology to what is already a very intelligent process.
What we like about the Chromatic team is that they always think outside of the box. Scott always goes above and beyond what we're asking to bring the best of technology into our solution, and the Smart Blankets project was a good example of it.